Hello everybody, look who's back over there. Woody the woodpecker. That is awesome. He is going to town. This is as far as my camera will zoom. And I'm not going to try to get closer this time. I just want to see what's going on here. But yeah, a woodpecker. He's big too. He's like, I don't know, I'd say 14 inches. Pretty big woodpecker there. I wonder if he notices me. Okay, maybe I'll try to get closer now. I wasn't trying to walk in the snow, but I guess today I will. Oh, it's deep. My feet are getting cold. Look at that, you guys. That is awesome. Hi, little woodpecker. How you doing over there? If I had some food on me, I'd feed you. I would. I would give you something to eat. But I have a question. Don't you get a headache from all that pecking? Man, I get a headache just from watching. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer, you guys. He loves me. He's my friend. The little woodpecker friend. Doing my best to get good video here without being shaky, but I'm walking in 1.5 feet of snow. Hi there, little pecker guy. Aww. He took off on me. I think he's right over here, but... Yep, there he is. See him? Alright guys, have an awesome, wonderful, amazing everything!